guys, one of the great products that we sell here at New Scooters for Less is this grip lock, and I just wanted to kind of show you how this would work on your motor scooter. What you do is you unlock it here, and it kind of does the gator chomp, right over the handle, but you're just gonna pull it right here over this grip, and you pull the brake handle in, and then you close it just like that. And then you press in and voila, it's locked on your scooter. So what this does is that locks the scooter right into place. It locks the throttle handle so you can't turn that, but it also, by pulling the brake, it locks that front wheel so nobody can just roll off with your scooter. Now, somebody could potentially pick it up and take it, but that's not the kind of theft that we hear about very often. Most of the theft that we hear about here in Gainesville is from somebody trying to break into the front of it here, ripping out the ignition, kick-starting it, and driving it away. So this is an excellent way to prevent all of that from happening. It also doesn't take up very much room inside of your scooter because all of the scooters have under-seat storage, right? And you can simply take the lock off and put it right in your storage bucket there, and it's not gonna take up very much room. I also wanted to show you how to properly remove the lock. And the way you would do that, because sometimes people struggle with this, is you want to bring your hand here and squeeze around the lock, releasing the pressure on this cylinder here. So put the key in like that, and just pull out on the cylinder and it'll open right up. If you ever find that this cylinder gets stuck and you can't get it open, we just recommend spraying a little bit of WD-40 or brake cleaner in there, and it'll loosen right up and allow you to properly open it. So there it is, the grip lock. Be sure to buy this at newscootersforless.com and we'll ship it to you. Or if you're in Gainesville, swing on by. We always have them here in stock. Thanks, see you later.